Hello everyone, welcome back to Kimmets. Today we are discussing about Hiroshima and Nagasaki incidents and Chernobyl disaster. These are the three radiation pollution incidents. Firstly, the Hiroshima and Nagasaki incidents. The United States developed two types of bomb during the Second World War and dropped them on Japan in 1945, which caused the Japan to surrender and the World War be almost over. The immense destructive power of an atomic bomb derived from nuclear fission chain reaction, that is, a sudden release of high energy produced by splitting a large nucleus into small nucleus. Firstly, we can discuss the Hiroshima incident. At 8:15 a.m. on 6th August 1945, during World War II, an American B-29 bomber dropped the world's first atomic bomb, the Little Boy, over the city of Hiroshima. The Little Boy was a gun barrel type atomic bomb, and its explosive energy was derived from the nuclear fission chain reaction imposed upon the fissile uranium-235. One of the various modes of chain reaction is as follows. That is, uranium-235 bombarded with a neutron and the large nucleus splits into barium and krypton with two neutrons and high release of energy. The explosion equivalent to 16,000 tons of TNT wiped out a large portion, approximately 4.7 kilometers square, of the city and immediately killed around 80,000 people, as well as injured around 70,000 people. Tens of thousands people more died within months, and several thousands of people suffered over the next several years from the effects of radiation exposure. Next, we can discuss the Nagasaki incident. 3 days after Hiroshima bombing, on August 9, 1945, the American B-29 bomber deployed the second atomic bomb, the Fat Man, over the city of Nagasaki. That atomic bomb, named Fat Man, is an implosion type atomic bomb. Compared to the one used on Hiroshima, the Nagasaki bomb was rounder and fatter, which was the reason for naming it Fat Man. The atomic bomb destructive energy was derived from the nuclear fission chain reaction imposed upon the fission material plutonium-239. One of the various modes of fission possible for plutonium-239 as one plutonium-239 bombarded with a neutron and give rise to xenon and zirconium with 3 neutrons and high release of energy. Compared to the Hiroshima atom bomb, Nagasaki atom bomb was more powerful, and its explosion equivalent to 22,000 tons blast. But the topography of Nagasaki, which was situated in a narrow valley between mountains, saved it to some extent from the bomb's full destructive capability, limiting it to about 2.6 kilometers square. The bomb killed as estimated 40,000 people and injured more, and radiation exposure damage upon thousands more. This is all about Nagasaki incidents. Next, we can discuss the Chernobyl disaster. Several serious accidents have occurred in the world wide. Concerns about safety and the functions of reactors and disposal of radioactive waste. Chernobyl disaster is an example for a terrible nuclear reactor accident. It was happened on April 26, 1981 at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant near Pripyat a small city in Ukraine. The accident was the result of flawed reactor design that was operated inadequately trained personnel. The explosion at the Chernobyl plant blew off 1,000 metric tons concrete roof from the nuclear reactor and reactor caught fire. 2 Chernobyl plant workers died on the night of the accident and a further of 28 people, including 6 firemen, died within a few weeks as a result of acute radiation poisoning. The accident caused an uncontrolled radioactivity release in the environment, the largest ever recorded for any civilian operation. The large quantities of radioactive substances are released into the atmosphere for about 10 days. The explosion released 30 to 40 times the radioactivity released by the atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. During the 10 days, which was required to bring down the runaway reaction under control, about 5,000 tons of boron, dolomite, sand, clay, and lead were dropped on to the burning core from the helicopters in an effort to extinguish the blaze and limit the release of radioactive material. A lethal cloud of radioactive material gathered over the nearby the town Pripyat, which was not evacuated until 36 hours after the explosion. Most of the material released got deposited nearby as dust and debris, but the later radioactive material were carried by wind all over Ukraine, as well as to Belarus and Russia, to other European countries and even to North America. 135,000 people were evacuated from the area within the days after the accident, and most of the flora and fauna in the surrounding area were either killed or muted or irradiated. The long-term consequences are the acute radiation syndrome was originally diagnosed in 237 people on site and involved within the cleanup. Several of them died later. Still being tailed, thousands of people died and as many as 70,000 suffered severe poisoning. There has been increased rate of thyroid cancer, leukemia and genetic anomalies in thousands of area residents, particularly among children. Within years, about 40,000 children were diagnosed to have thyroid cancer. Early detection saved most but succumbed to the disease. Even today, many suffer from illness that are related to the exposure to the fallout from Chernobyl. The last working reactor of Chernobyl plant were shut down in the year 2000 and the plant was officially closed. What has been learned from the Chernobyl disaster? We know the accident was caused by the violation of operating rules. That is, it was a result of human error. Moreover, the reactor design and features amplified the effect of errors and led to explosion. That is, the operators withdrew control rods and safety rods from the core and switched off safety systems. We can conclude that the major reasons for the accident are the physical characteristics of the reactor, secondly, the specific design features of the reactor control elements, and the most important one, the violation of the operating procedure. These are the reasons for the accidents. After that accident, safety of all reactors improved. Moreover, culture of collaboration encouraged. That is, increased collaboration between East and West takes place to improve the reactors. Then all RBMK reactors modified. Moreover, a changes in control rod, adding neutron absorbers, in increasing in fuel enrichment, more stable at low pressure, improved safety mechanism, faster automatic shutdown mechanism, installation of automated inspection equipments. These are the new features in a reactor. Moreover, many other international programs were initiated. For example, International Atomic Energy Agency. They review safety of the projects. These are the learning outcomes from the Chernobyl disaster. This is all about Chernobyl disaster. Today we learned three types of radiation pollution: Hiroshima and Nagasaki incidents and Chernobyl disaster. Thank you.